Why do we yawn? Is it boredom, tiredness, or are we just practicing for the world's quietest shouting contest? It turns out, yawning is one of nature's mysteries that keeps scientists scratching their heads. We often yawn when tired or bored, but it's not just about that. Yawning is contagious, right? Seeing someone yawn or even reading about yawning can trigger your own. It's like your body's built-in copycat feature. But here's the kicker. Yawning might actually be a way to cool our brains. Yep, like a natural aircon system, especially when it's not just your head feeling the heat. So next time you yawn in a crowd and set off a yawn fest, remember, you might just be giving everyone a brain chill.